Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Bridanhaven, and on this channel we do cook, we do story time, we do makeup, and now we do vlogs. Thank you very much for you guys who are subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. I am very happy. So for those, the OGs of course, thank you for the continued support. Thank you for everyone who comments. I appreciate you guys. So recently I have been doing cook videos a lot, and I felt like I needed to do some upgrade here and there, but I wasn't ready for that upgrade. So I suggested it and somebody decided to gift me this. Oh, is that? Yes, so I have bought, made in Germany, the Regina 19 pieces granite cookware set. So guys, without further ado, let's unbox and see what I got. I'm so happy, honestly. Oh, my hair is also from Quality Wigs Kenya. I really don't know how to lay a frontal very well. So closure very well. So I'm going to work on it. I just applied foundation here, as you can see. Yeah, and plus I've not done cornrows, so it's a bit falling off, but please ignore the wig and let's focus on the main reason why we are here. So this stuff were ordered from Kengla, and before I do the unboxing, let's get into the video.
If I was damaged, would you love me the same? Would you vanish, or would you not be ashamed to...
So this box contains 19 pieces granite, but it's funny because you find that they write this on sufurias. They should just say like we have such a number of pans, number of lids, number of these plastic knobs, etc. But so I'm unboxing, and it's a very beautiful pack, and thank you so much, you know yourself, for getting this fantastic gift for me. I appreciate. At least now I won't be cooking with my brother called my pan. There's a name he named my pan. So this sufuria comes packed the way this looks. So it's in this plastic bag that you can, if you have a child, you can just give them and they play with this. But I think I'm also my own child, so I'll play with them later. So there's this, which is the smallest, and this is how it looks like, and that's the bottom. So yeah, so I have good sufurias, and I'm happy because it's not plastic. So if maybe I'm making rice and it doesn't dry so well, I can just put it in my oven and I'll just remove it. Yeah, so this is the first pot. Yeah. Then there's something I was very excited about. I'm not going, like, this is not a promo, guys, but I got this. I got myself an overall. So whenever I'll be in the kitchen, this is what I'll be doing. And because I'm talking about kitchen stuff, so why not? Why not? Yeah, so this is my overall for cooking. So expect a lot of videos. Let me just stand up so that you can see it. Looks so good. It's written Destiny, but the sufuria are bought Regina version. I'm going to put a picture here. So yeah, you saw this, and have another one. Yeah, it's packed so well, like I can do this and you can't tell. They're not like scratching each other or anything. I wonder if I can be storing them like that, especially when I'm not using it. So the same one, this is the sufuria that comes after this. So if maybe I'm making stew and rice, I can use this for rice, then this for stew, or vice versa. But they look so good. I'm so in love with the sufurias. They're so just magical. They look so good. I can't wait to cook in them. Next, now we're going to the big ones. Or no, this is not the biggest. Oh, this is the biggest. Yeah, I think this is the biggest. I have this, so my visitors will be eating and shibuying, because now we have good sufurias. There are a total of, I think, 6. So they're packed so well. So they're packed with boxes and papers. They just look so well, actually. I think I should show you the last one. Then I have this, which looks like a pan. So Boris, I have a pan. Yes, so my brother is always talking ill about my pan. Of course, you've seen the condition of my pan on my previous videos. So we have now a pan, of which I think I'll be using it in making rice. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's for pies, rice. I don't know. For me, that's how I feel. Like, if you buy something, you use it. So, as I was telling you guys, it's packed so well that it doesn't scratch, even if they're being put together. Then now we have the biggest sufuria, which I think I'll take it home. I don't know. I think I'll take it home because I don't cook as much, or I'll just wait until my family grows. I don't know. But yeah, we have the biggest sufuria, and inside it has my pans, which I'm going to screw. Like now this one, I think, is it like this or like this? Just so pretty. I'm so happy because I will no longer use steel wool in my house. Maybe once in a while when I make maybe ugali, but I think I can also use these sufurias for ugali. So guys, as I was saying, I have this big sufuria. I hardly get visitors, and the time I do, I don't get like a lot of visitors, but now I know I'll be expecting lots and lots of visitors. So I have a very big sufuria for cooking and even maybe boiling water, I don't know. But sometimes, let me just tell you, where I live, these lights are not always constant. Sometimes you might come to the house and just find that you don't have lights. What do? Boil water, then go shower. If you can't shower with cold water, because I have a condition, I can't use cold water, my chest will just block. So I have a big sufuria for that. No more using the other sufurias unless I want to make something. Okay, I play too much. Unless I want to make something that will require the normal sufurias, but no. So please forgive my manners. Here is another. See the way they are packed. They're packed so well. But there's something I'm disappointed about, and I'm going to tell you. I promise. They're packed so well, and I think this is the last one. This is the last bit of it. So yeah, I have my sufurias here. I'm going to lower the camera so that you can see and play with this. Okay. So yeah, I have my sufurias. I've already unboxed them. I was waiting for too long to unbox so that I can start using them. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these sufurias, and then I'm going to use them to cook my next meal, and I'm going to share my next meal with you guys. So before I do that, I'm going to lower the camera so that you can see my sufurias. There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 sufurias, but one looks like a pan. So I feel like I can use it as a pan before I get another pan, and I'm hoping Okay, I have a very nice lady who cleans my utensils when she comes for general cleaning and so, but I'm just hoping the visitors I'll get, they'll not try to, you know, use steel wool to scrub the souvenirs, thinking that it's dirt or something. Yeah, so I'm happy about this. So this stuff was bought from Kengla Kitchen, and they're nice, they're fantastic. I've not used them yet, but I can feel the coating and everything. It's very nice. It's Bosch, and it's sort of, it's called granite. It's sort of granite because it looks like it has something like pebbles. Yeah, it's actually granite cookware. I was right. I've just checked the box, but there's something about these boxes. I'll show you. On the box it's written 19 pieces granite cookware set. Inside the box we have 5 soufrières and 5 lids, a total of 10. Did they count the what are they called? The small things that you attach to the lid as pieces again? Those are 15, right? But it's written 19 pieces. Where are the 4 pieces? Where? Where are the 4 pieces? Because I really don't understand why, right? Okay, maybe this is a piece. I don't know. Maybe this is a piece and the papers, because it's 19 pieces, but I got 16 plus my overall. But I love my overall. I can't wait to be wearing every time I'm making a dish in my house. So let's fix the soufrières, then go to the kitchen, wash them up. So guys, we're doing the final part. Of course, after unboxing, you can just take the soufrières and start using them. So right now I want to clean the soufrière and I want you guys to clean them with me. So I'm going to start with the big ones. I have hot water because they have a weird scent to them, smelling like something new, and I really don't like the smell, because I'm sure when I use it I don't want to feel that in my food. So I'm going to wash the soufrières. I don't know why I'm panting. So I'm going to wash the soufrières, then I'm going to show you. Yes. So guys, I have my usual sponge and my morning fresh. So I'll start with the first soufrière. I have a very tiny place to work on, so kindly bear with me. I'm going to put hot water, then put cold water, just a little. And oh, you're seeing that I have a different tap. The other one I hit it. It was the water was coming out very little, and I thought I was helping it, but I ended up breaking it. So I'm using the sponge side to like clean up, but I just love making it feel like it's used to doing this. So I always do this to all my new, even this side when I'm using, but I'm using this side to just clean my soufrière. I hate using a new Scotch Brite, but I don't have a choice because the other one is very old and I've already tossed it. So I hate cleaning, by the way. I hate cleaning utensils very much. Like, I really do hate cleaning utensils. So I feel like you can use both sides. It will not like scrub the soufrière or anything, but I just love using any side to clean the dishes or anything. But right now, because the soufrière are new, I don't want to damage them. So I'm going to wash one by one and clean them all as you've seen. Then I'm going to get back to you once all the soufrières are clean.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
So guys, my superiors are here. I've cleaned all of them. The lids are there, and yeah, everything is cleaned. So I'm ready to make a meal, but I'm not cooking today, so I'll just let them sit like this, then I'll put them somewhere else once they dry up. But that was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Continue subscribing, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and may God bless you all. Peace out.